Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. So, class 7, your new topic Windows 10 updates and Microsoft Office 2013. So, student, today we are going to discuss about a new feature about Windows 10 updates and new application Microsoft Word. Okay, new topics we are going to discuss today. Okay, students, so let's start this topic. Class 7, today we are going to discuss about Windows 10 features. So number first topic is your Windows Hello. So Windows Hello is a biometric security feature. Okay, so that provides a more personal way to sign into Windows device through face recognizes, scanning features, fingerprint scanning, so more or features. Okay, so this feature eliminates the need to type in the password. So every time we log in to our device, so we can unlock the device with just a look or a touch. So this features can only be used with Windows 10 devices. So built-in camera and finger reader that supports Windows Hello. Okay, so it's a Windows Hello. It's a feature of a Windows 10. It included already defined in this fingerprint scanning, face recognitions. Okay, and so many feature all already available and upgraded in Windows Hello feature. Okay, now next topic is yours Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge, it's a new web browser, so that is faster, more secure, and includes many new features like provides its user better experience on the net. So it's allow us to write on web pages with web node, read text, etc. So it's we can add extension to it, translate contents of a website, block ads, and manage our password. It's through Microsoft Edge features through. Okay, and we can write on a web page for your convenience. So it's a feature of a Windows 10 Microsoft Edge. So it's a new browser. Okay, and it works very faster. Okay, and it's secure and many new features available in this feature. So experiences, better experience on the net. Okay, it's allowed to write on the web pages, web node, read, etc. Now Action Center, it's a new topic. Action Center, it's a new feature. It's important application, so that helps us to see and manage all our system notification. Okay, it's about notifications of a system managing. So it provide us with a quick action with quickly access to the various settings and app. So it's a notification area of the tasks were located. So when opened, it display notification, so information at the top section and setting related option, Wi-Fi including tablet mode, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. Okay, display quiet hours, airplane mode. So all settings are available in this Action Center, and it's a bottom section. So we can customize setting of the Action Center as per our requirement. Okay, so it's a Action Center, it's a application, important application. Okay, we can manage and we can see a properly system notification. It's through bottom area of the taskbar. So tablet mode. Okay, so student, it's a tablet mode. It's a new feature, so that provides a more touch friendly experience to work with Windows 10 touchscreen devices. Okay, so it's a touchscreen device and 2-in-1 devices, so portable computer that share characteristics of both tablets and laptops. So students, so we can turn this feature, we can use this on and off for the Action Center or the setting apps through. Okay, so this is mode automatically activated in a mobile device like tablet and smartphone. You can see in this picture, it's a tablet mode. Okay, so we can use in this on and off feature Action settings app through. Okay, so it's automatically activate in a mobile device like tablet and smartphone also. Okay, so student, It's next topic, it's your Microsoft Office 2013. So in this Microsoft in Windows 10 includes in Microsoft application software Office 2013. Okay, so it's the latest version of Microsoft Office. So it is a successor of the Microsoft Office 2010. Okay, including in the support for touchscreen devices among its new features. So its main software included MS Office 2013, okay, Word 2013, Excel 2013, PowerPoint 2013, Outlook 2013, okay, it's a mail through. Next, Publisher 2013 and OneNote and OneDrive, and all are new features available in Microsoft Office 2013. So student, Microsoft Office 2013 update system. So it's a many new features available and improvement over the previous version of Microsoft Word comparison. Okay, Word 2007 to Word 2010. Okay, so first it's your new feature adding online videos. Okay, first new feature is adding online videos. So you can see in this page, add online video directly to your document. So okay, so that the reader can watch in Word and apply pictures, online photo services, etc. So, and last, save them first to your computer without having to save them first to your computer. So it's a photo services, etc. An online video button in this insert tab of button. You can see in the insert tab button. So it's a new feature, and next video inserted in the document you can see properly. So it's a new feature adding online video. Okay. Now next feature is a new design tab. So new design tab you already seen in Word 2007 and Word 2010. So added interesting feature of styling a document. So in this feature you can see scattered throughout the user interface, and they were difficult to use. So the new feature 2013 design tab consolidates all these tools onto one tab. Okay, so they are easy to find. So option in this design tab, see properly is a design tab. Okay, and in this you can see properly of styling a document. Okay, apply a styling a document. So third feature is your easy photo placement. Easy photo placement is new feature 2013. Okay, so ability to draw photos into Word document and place them wherever you want. So in this figure you can see properly a layout option button automatically appears when you insert a photograph in a document. Okay, so click on it to see more layout option to wrap the text around the images. Okay, so it's a new feature of a Microsoft Office 2013 updated features. So easy photo placements. Okay, fourth is the easy table customization. Easy table customization 2013 new, add a new row to a table by hovering your mouse, so just outside the left edge of the table. So you can see managing is a new feature, easy table customization. We can easy customization feature, and there is a similar icon for easily adding a new column. Okay, we can easily maintain. So next, fifth is a border painter is a new feature. So you can also sample an existing border style from a table using the border sample in the border style panel. So students, see a properly border painter button in the table tool design tab. So to change or add border for a part of our table, your table, so make sure that the border painter button is selected. So you can see in this Word 2013 apply border style. Okay, accordingly. So it's a new feature of a border painter option. Okay, next is your last feature 6 in this comfortable read mode. So student, all are feature of a Word 2013 features. Okay, so comfortable read mode, it's used to move Word mode to read document that create them. Okay, so you will like Word 2013 new read mode, it automatically resizes a document of to the full window. See in this figure, full window already applied. You can apply clearly. So or swap the screen from the edge of the display if you are using a touch screen monitor. So it's a full mode of the window. So read mode button in the view tab option available. So it's very simple and easy comfortable read mode features in Word 2013. 13. So it's work to automatically resize a document to the full window. It works to the resize a document to the full window. It works easily. So this is new read mode will adjust the document accordingly to the screen size. So student, today we are discussed all these 6 new features. Okay. So number first, adding online video. Second, new design tab. Third, easy photo placement. Fourth, easy table customization. Fifth, border painter. And last, we discuss comfortable read mode. So class 7, just read and go through to the Windows 10 in this Microsoft Word 2013 and read properly all steps, okay, and all details. Okay, students. So class 7th, your today's homework is read page number 140 to 142.